Alright guys, it's just driving back. I just moved spots. I thought I'd try somewhere else. Went back to a place where I was previous. Now I don't know what the hell's happened here. Just sort of checking the area just in case there's anyone about. There's no plates on this thing, but I drove past here earlier today and this wasn't here. So this has happened. Oh shit, I'm gonna move my car. Yeah, I'll just continue on. Yeah, I come up this road earlier on. This looks like it's hit super hard, this car. Hope the people are alright. Just looking around here just in case they've I don't know, crawled out, but it's just crazy. I'm just trying to work out what's going on here and how the cars ended up there, which way they've been coming. I can see all these drag marks in the road. Yeah, they've hit this. You can see up there, there's a bit of the car. They've hit this rock. Don't know. But it's obviously hit this. But how the hell they've ended up over there? Unless someone's pulled them off the side of the road. There's no number plates on this car, so I'm guessing it's stolen. Might not be. But God, that's hit hard. That's super hard. I can see the roof's bent in. Just looking in just to see, like, windscreen smashed, but I don't see any blood or anything like that, so maybe there are. Yeah, it's crazy. Got to watch these roads. Yeah, that's just crazy. That is absolutely crazy. Well, hope it's not someone's car that's been stolen and they end up seeing it on here. But yeah, that's shocking. That is shocking. Hopefully they're alright as well. I don't see anyone around here, but I will have a little bit more of a look just to make sure. But yeah, that's crazy. That's crazy. You know, you're going at some speed to do that to the front of your car. It's a dirt road. Like the wheel on this side, the rim. If you can see that, it's not where it's supposed to be. And it's all smashed under there. All the drive. It's just all ripped out. Well, hopefully it's been reported, and if not, I'll do something when I get back through town. But yeah, that's crazy. Well, this is the reason I want these meetups, you know. When I'm driving out here, if one of us comes off the road, not that I'll be travelling at this speed along the dirt road, but just in case something happens, you got someone with you. Alright, I'm going to continue on down the road now and yeah, see if I can get to a spot where I get a bit of colour. Last spot I got a little bit, not much. I know that I can do better out here. Haven't got all that long as well. As I said, started the day late and piss farted around. But yeah, alright, back to it.